Looking to upgrade your cleaning game? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric foam sprayers that make washing cars, patios, or even your driveway easier and more effective. Whether you're a detailing pro or just love a spotless finish, these sprayers deliver thick, even foam at the push of a button. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Foamer 1.5L Foam Generator for Car. The Foamer 1.5L Foam Generator is the perfect tool for achieving that professional finish at home. Powered by a 2,600 mAh lithium battery, this electric foam sprayer delivers consistent foam without the need for manual pumping. Its 1.5-liter capacity ensures you get more coverage in less time. Made from durable engineering plastic, both the body and nozzle are built to last. The spray type is fine and even, ensuring maximum foam cling for deep cleaning. With a convenient finger grip handle, this foam lance is easy to hold and maneuver. No water pipes? No problem, this unit is fully self-contained. Ideal for cars, bikes, and more. Say goodbye to messy buckets and hello to efficient car care with the Foamer 1.5L. Fourth product on our list, CCUUD Electric Foam Sprayer. The CCUUD Electric Foam Sprayer is built for powerful and efficient cleaning at home or in the garden. Made from durable PVC and engineering plastic, this 2025 model offers lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Its generous 2-liter capacity reduces the need for constant refills, making it perfect for large cleaning tasks. Whether washing your car or freshening up outdoor spaces, it gets the job done with ease. A standout feature is the dual spray mode nozzle. It lets users switch between gentle misting and a focused, high-pressure stream, adapting to any task on the spot. Designed for comfort, the finger-type handle offers easy grip and control. No water pipes are needed, adding true portability. Ideal for car washes, garden care, or general home use, the CCUUD sprayer combines power and flexibility in one compact tool. Third product on our list, LEIBOO Electric Foam Sprayer. The LEIBOO Electric Foam Sprayer is a powerful, battery-powered solution for effortless car cleaning. No more manual pumping, just press and spray. It's easy, fast, and saves time. Equipped with a 60-degree fan spray, it delivers wide, even coverage. The dense foam sticks to the car body, breaking down dirt and oil with ease. Perfect for deep cleaning without scrubbing. This sprayer features a pressurized foam system that ensures long-lasting, fine foam. It clings longer, allowing for better results every time. Not just for cars, it's also great for pet baths, garden watering, and household cleaning. One tool, many uses. For added safety, a pressure relief valve is built in. Simply press to release pressure and avoid any risk of bottle damage. LEIBOO blends convenience, safety, and versatility into one compact, high-performance foam sprayer. Second product on our list, SPTA 2.25L Electric Foam Sprayer. The SPTA 2.25L Electric Pressurized Soap Sprayer is built for efficient and effortless cleaning. With a generous 76-ounce capacity, it allows longer use without constant refilling. Perfect for car enthusiasts or home cleaning tasks. This cordless foam sprayer delivers strong, consistent pressure. It creates thick, rich foam that clings to surfaces, ideal for lifting dirt and grime with ease. The result? A cleaner car with less effort. Powered by a reliable electric pump, it eliminates the need for manual pressure. Just switch it on and spray. Fast, simple, and effective. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Whether you're detailing your vehicle or washing windows, this sprayer gets the job done. SPTA's electric sprayer offers a smart solution for modern cleaning. Powerful, cordless, and efficient, this tool is a must-have for any serious cleaner. First product on our list, Foamboss Electric Foam Sprayer. The Foamboss Electric Foam Sprayer from Leaf Garden is designed for both car washing and home or garden cleaning. With its high-pressure foam cannon, it delivers consistent, thick foam that easily covers surfaces, making cleaning effortless and efficient. This electric sprayer saves time by eliminating the need for manual pumping. Simply press a button, and the sprayer does all the work, producing long-lasting foam that tackles dirt, grime, and stains with ease. Its versatile design makes it ideal for washing cars, watering plants, or even cleaning outdoor furniture. The high pressure ensures thorough coverage, leaving no mark behind. Built for durability, the Foamboss sprayer is lightweight and easy to handle. Whether you're cleaning a vehicle or tending your garden, this foam sprayer is an excellent tool to save time and improve your cleaning routine.